Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, I'm going to show you how to make this moist, delicious, quick and easy breakfast applesauce cake. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. In a large bowl, combine oil, eggs, applesauce, and vanilla extract. Then stir well to combine. One thing I like about this recipe is quick and easy. You just need one bowl, a whisk, and a spatula, and you are ready to go. Next, sift in the flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, sugar, and cinnamon. Add nutmeg, now use a rubber spatula to mix everything together. Do not over mix. Mix until just combined. Once everything is incorporated, we're gonna set aside. Now let's move on to work on the apples. We're gonna cut apples into small chunks, then add them to the batter. Do not peel the apples, leave the skin on. Now add the apple chunks to the batter and stir well. Pour the batter into a parchment-lined baking pan. I'm using 9 by 9 inch pan, guys. Now bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit preheated oven for 40 to 45 minutes or until toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. At 40 minutes, I pulled out the cake from the oven and do the toothpick test. The toothpick came out clean. That means the cake is done. Now we're gonna dust with powdered sugar. Then you can serve warm or with lightly sweet whipped cream or vanilla ice cream. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you are new here, welcome to Mama Bui's Kitchen. Consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you are returning, thank you so much for your loyal support. Leave a comment down below. I love hearing from you guys. There you have it, guys. Easy one bowl breakfast applesauce cake. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a like. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.